Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can import and load tactics in Football Manager 26. It's pretty easy. First of all, copy the tactic file which you wanna use, and once you copy that, go to this PC, open documents, go to this one Sports Interactive and open Football Manager 26, and you're gonna see the folder for tactics. Right here on this folder we need to paste the file which we have copied, and now you are good to go. But for some reason, if you don't have this tactics folder, then you can follow the next method. In that, you need to hit Windows plus R in order to open run. Right here type app data and hit OK. Then click on local, and right here we need to again look for the folder Sports Interactive. Here it is. Open that, go to Football Manager 26, and you're gonna see the folder here by the name of Cloud. And if you open that folder, you're gonna see the folder for tactics, and just right there you need to paste the file which we have copied. So in some pieces you're gonna see the file in documents, or in some pieces you need to look for that in app data. So that's basically it. You can just close everything and launch the game. Now once the game is open, you need to go to match day, select tactics, and you need to click on this plus icon in order to load the tactic file which we have imported. Select load tactic, and yeah, there you go. This is the file which we have imported. You just need to select this file and click on load, and that's basically how you can import and load tactics in Football Manager 26. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.